We use Worldox as our tool to be able to retrieve and find documents that we create and be able to manage our files. So we tried other document management programs in the past that just didn't really work for us. One was just too cumbersome and too difficult to manage, and in fact too expensive. The most recent solution that we tried was a combination of a case management and document management system. The two didn't marry very well, and the search function on the document management side wasn't robust enough to enable us to find our documents, and we couldn't save documents very easily into the system.
We have over 1 million documents, and they forget where things are saved, they forget how they're saved, how many versions of something, and really having a management system in place helps us to keep it organized. An application, a solution such as Worldox allows us to find something based on all different criteria. And we really rely on this heavily because that's how we find our documents.
The new version of the product, GX4, actually has improved the search interface that simultaneously can be set up to search both the description and the content of the documents.
Retrieval is so easy because we're able to find documents on the fly. The search function is excellent. It's a full text search of all of our documents. We can also find PDFs.
Even a new person who's never used a document management system before can instantly just go right into it.
One of the attractions of Worldox is that we don't have to rely just on whatever's in the profile. We can actually search based on contents in a very effective way. GX4 gives you an even more seamless connection with Outlook. Is a really attractive feature. It enables us to get a much more seamless connection with Outlook. We transfer documents or we transmit documents by email. The ability to save those documents easily and effectively is pretty important in what we do every day.
One of my favorite features of the Worldox software is its security features. We could secure it so that only the people who needed to see the information could see the documents within that matter. GX4 has a new tile view. It allows you to get a summary of your search results at a glance.
It gives them a visual layout of all their documents so they can drill down, find what they're looking for, and also see what else they may have missed.
We have a new interface in the ribbon interface in Word, so you can just access that, and without having anything pop up, you can save something to one of your quick profiles without having to fill out a bunch of information or have any other part of the interface appear.
Tight integration with Microsoft Office is just getting better and better with every revision. It's simple and it's easy. And it's always reliable. I like to deal with stability. I like to know who I'm working with, and at Worldox I have that.